Welcome to the Introduction to ArtCam Express training videos brought to you by General CNC. As a purchaser of a General CNC iRouter or iCarver series machine, one of the advantages that we offer is a complete video training tutorial series that will teach you the basic functionality of ArtCam Express. We also do other videos that will also teach some of the functionality of iPicture. As well as that, we also add some additional videos as we get technical support requests from customers, and we will create additional videos teaching other functions and features, tips, and techniques. These are all benefits of purchasing a CNC router from General CNC. So as you can see, I've got ArtCam Express in front of me here, and I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial of some of the things that you might see in some of these training videos. For example, I'm going to very quickly just open up a new model here in ArtCam Express. In the training series, we'll actually teach you how to use the setup job dimensions. We'll teach you how to use all the various tools that you can see in the tool taskbar here in ArtCam Express. For example, I can draw various shapes, circles and squares and so on. We can weld shapes together. I'll just show you a very quick illustration of that. So I'm going to weld some shapes together. We can create some text. All of these functions and features are contained in the software, and we will teach you how to use that. As you can see, very quickly walking through some of the different functions and features here. We can resize and reshape objects. What we try to do is we try to teach three basic functions in the software. We try to teach the use of the geometry tools, that you can see me do here. We also try to teach bitmap to vector conversion. So I'm just going to very quickly close this model. You saw use of some of the geometry tools. I'm going to show another illustration of one of the features of the software, which is bitmap to vector conversion. We'll just grab a bitmap image, and the software has a very unique function in it that it has the ability to import bitmaps. This is just an image found off the internet, and very simply we can reduce the number of colors to it and then create vectors around it. And so now we have an image that, as you can see, has been converted into machinable vector lines, and we can then create a toolpath with that. One of the other functions that we show is, I'm just going to copy this and I'll open a new model. One of the other functions that we teach is the various toolpathing options that we have. I'm just going to take that image that I just created there, and I'm going to center that and resize it to better fit my workspace. And so there we've resized the object. I can delete the portions I don't want. And now I can create a toolpath. So this is one of the toolpathing strategies that are utilized in ArtCam Express. This is called a V-bit carving toolpath. It's a very interesting and unique toolpathing strategy in ArtCam. We'll teach you how to use that. One of the other functions in software that's very, very powerful is the preview function, which you can see here illustrated. It gives you the ability to preview a project, including previewing it in various substrates. For example, I'll show this previewed in a piece of light oak. And if I wanted to show it filled in a specific color, I can do that as well. So there's a very quick overview of some of the functions of the software. Last thing I'm just going to show you real quick here. So I'll close this model, I'll open up a new model, and I will show you the use of the 3D models. So I'm just going to go up here to a 3D model. We'll use this horse. We'll center it and resize it to, say, 8 inches. And we will add that to our project, and we'll create a toolpath with it. We'll actually make sure that we have the 3D model there. And the software has three basic functions, and these are three of the three functions that we teach in the video tutorials. We teach the basic use of geometry tools, we teach bitmap to vector conversion, and the last one, which you're seeing me do right now, is we teach the use of 3D models, how to import a 3D model and create a toolpath for that. And we'll run a simulation and you'll see that it has created a 3D model of that horse. We will take off this depth of color so that we can see it, and we would like to see that perhaps in a piece of material. Obviously a big fan of the light oak. So you can see we can zoom in on it and rotate the part, take a look at it from various angles. So those are some of the features of the online video training series. This is a very quick overview of some of those features and functions. We break the videos down into 3 to 12 minute videos. As soon as you purchase your CNC machine from General, we will be sending you a direct link to those videos where you can start the learning process. The nice thing about the videos is that you can learn them on your own time and at your own pace, and that we are constantly expanding the video library to add other tips, techniques, features, and functions of the software, so that the learning never ends. In fact, it only starts once you start getting exposed to the technology of the CNC machine and the Artcam Express software. So that gives you a brief overview of the video training series that we offer, and we hope that you'll find this helpful.